How to add taxes to Square. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add taxes to Square. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then head over to squareup.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, from the dashboard, you want to scroll down and find the option of settings over here. Click on this. Now click on account and settings option. Now it will bring you to this page over here. Here you want to select business information, then from there select sale tax. Now click on the create tax option. You will have to fill up some information over there, set up your name, tax rate and where it applies. Then go to the tax application and choose whether to apply tax to all current and future items or just to a specific item. Now, in the tax calculation option, choose between addictive and inclusive tax. If you want to exempt an item from tax, you want to click on tax exemption, switch on the add exemption rule and add a rule. Then you want to click on the save button to finish. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.